Are you thinking of buying a fixer-upper? They can be a great way to get into the property market, to buy your first home, or to get something that you can make really your own. But before you go falling in love with some charming handyman special, there's a few things you should bear in mind. First is that you need to budget well above the purchase price. Renovations always cost more than we think they will, and that's really true with fixer-uppers. And those unexpected surprises can lead to real financial pickles. Secondly, not everything is something you can DIY. We might have good skills and you can get a long way with YouTube videos, but for some projects like electrical wiring or plumbing, you may need to hire professionals and they will cost money. Speaking of money, not all lenders love all fixer-uppers. So if you have a specific fixer-upper in mind, the first thing you should do is get a hold of your realtor, have them send the listing cut over to your lender or mortgage broker, and have them give you a thumbs up. And finally, know what you're getting into. If you have a lot of patience for delays and dust and decision fatigue and you love a big project, a fixer-upper might be for you, but there's nothing wrong with admitting that you would like a house that's less challenging. If you need help deciding, get in touch and let's find you the right home, whether or not it's a fixer-upper or something that's move-in ready.